Windows package their virtual machines for four different virtualization software options like VMware, Hyper-Visor, VirtualBox, and Parallels. So let's get an activated Windows 11. It includes many of the development tools come pre-installed, and anyone can use this in any platforms like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. The evaluation virtual machine includes Windows 11 Enterprise, Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition, Windows Subsystem for Linux 2 enabled with Ubuntu installed, Windows Terminal installed, and Developer Mode enabled. I am going to download it for VirtualBox. I already have downloaded it on my machine. After a successful download, navigate to download folder and then extract or unzip this archive file. I already have extracted this file. Now open VirtualBox and then import this virtual machine. Click on File menu and then select Import Appliance. Simply browse the file from your download folder. Open. Now click on Next. Now click on Finish. It may take a while for importing the virtual machine on VirtualBox Manager. After importing the virtual machine onto VirtualBox Manager, you should change some settings. At first, select the virtual machine and then open Settings. In General tab, you can change the virtual machine name. I am going to name it Windows 11 Enterprise, and also select System tab and then set the base memory depending on your computer's actual RAM size, and then CPU count. Okay, now click on OK. That's it. Now start the virtual machine. Here you will get some pre-installed software tools like Visual Studio 2022 and also other application like Ubuntu on Windows. Here I'm going to check the activation status of this Windows 11 Enterprise Edition. Here you will see Windows 11 Enterprise is active. That's it. If you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.